Hello, this is the Tachibana Tech channel coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we got our hands on the new iPhone 15 here on day one. UPS just dropped it off. So first things first, we got this nice pink color here. Hold on. There it is. So we got this nice pink color here because it looks really nice. I only showed you the back because it's really hard to tell it's pink on this box. And then I wanted to go ahead and show you the imagery from last year, where here they were focusing on the smaller notch, whereas here they are clearly focusing on the dynamic island, which is from the Pro version of the 14 last year. It seems to be that Apple is just moving their Pro line to their newer regular iPhone lines in the next year. So let's go ahead and move that away. All right, as you can see here, they always color the foil the same color as your phone and the Apple. Well, I guess it is the same foil. But yeah, it's pink. It's going to be this nice light pink, hopefully. Finish opening these easy open tabs. All right. Ooh, that is a nice pink. It's subtle. Very nice. You can barely tell it's a pink. It's very light. You can see it more here than you can see anywhere else, but it's very nice. Ooh, it's really nice on the metal here. Right there. And then if you notice that they did keep the slider for the 15, since this is basically the old Pro. Go ahead and show you guys a Pro. As you can see, it's basically the Pro from the year prior, minus the camera. Even the bump is raised pretty good. Except that the 15 now has USB-C instead of Lightning. And what's interesting is for the 15s, they may have made it USB-C, but if you look at the fine print, on the 15, it uses USB 2 speeds, and then on the 15 Pro, it uses USB 3 speeds. Quite a difference. And then you can see here, obviously, the switch to dual-ended USB-C, because the 14s now have USB-C on one end and Lightning on the other. And what's really nice is they switched to this braided cable. This braided cable is much more durable and, frankly, a lot more worth the money. The basics, yeah, obviously in line with their last couple models. You no longer have a physical SIM slot unless you have the international models. And this would be your basic user guide and then the Apple sticker. Let's go ahead and peel this off. But first you can see it has the mute button, power, volume up, down, and then the power button here, and then obviously the power here. All right, so you can see right there on the screen that it's doing the pill and punch hole design, as it's commonly called on the internet, which is the same as the dynamic island from the 14 Pros last year. So as you can see, it has the old design with the normal camera notch, with all the little sensors and stuff. And then here, obviously, it has the switch to the dynamic island. So, as you can see here, otherwise, this phone is identical. With the exception, of course, being the USB-C port on the new 15 and the Lightning on the old 14. As you can see, the new 15 has a matte background, whereas this has a glass shiny background. So obviously it takes fingerprints more. I just took it out of the box. I cleaned this thing a lot for these presentations. And then, yeah, it's just the new color is very subtle and looks very nice. So overall, the 15 is pretty much identical to the old 14, but added some of those Pro features from the 14 Pro of last year. And with that, I do believe that is the end of our iPhone 15 unboxing. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you would like us to unbox, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.